Roomba iRobot. The vacuum cleaner developed by iRobot has significantly changed our lives. With its simple yet powerful design, it has revolutionized home cleaning. The days of lugging around heavy vacuum cleaners and spending hours pushing them across the floor are gone. Roomba operates autonomously, navigating through rooms, avoiding obstacles, and efficiently cleaning various surfaces. Its sensors detect dirt and adjust the cleaning pattern accordingly, ensuring deep cleaning of carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. It has saved us valuable time and effort. We can now set it to clean while we are away, and returning to a clean home has become a reality, allowing us to focus on more important things in our lives. Also, has made cleaning accessible to a wider range of people. In fact, it is especially beneficial for individuals with physical limitations or simply busy schedules. Roomba's impact in our lives is undeniable, making it an indispensable companion in our quest for cleaner and more convenient homes. Amazon Echo. It has transformed how we interact with our homes, serving a central hub for smart home control and a valuable source of information. Alexa can play music, set timers, answer questions, provide weather updates, read audiobooks, and even control compatible smart devices such as lights, thermostats, and security systems. With a simple voice command, we can manage our daily tasks and control our environment. It has made our homes more interconnected and responsive. With the ability to integrate with other smart devices, we can create seamless automation and control our homes with voice commands. This also promotes energy efficiency and home security. Echo has brought a new level of efficiency and entertainment to our daily lives. By harnessing the power of voice control and smart home integration, it has truly transformed the way we interact with our living spaces, making our lives more connected and enjoyable. Nest Learning Thermostat. It has transformed how we control home temperature. It learns, it detects our preferences, adjusts setting automatically, and eliminates the need for manual change. By analyzing our usage patterns and considering factors like time of day, it creates a personalized schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Firstly, the Nest Thermostat has made our lives more comfortable by learning our temperature preferences and creating personalized schedules. It ensures that our homes are always at the right temperature when we need it. Secondly, the Nest Thermostat has helped us save energy and reduce utility bills. Its intelligent algorithm analyzes our usage patterns and automatically lowers the temperature when we're away or asleep, reducing unnecessary energy consumption and promoting energy efficiency. It adapts to our routines, lowering the temperature when we're away and ensuring a cozy home when we return. Plus, we can control it remotely via smartphone app, allowing us to make adjustments from anywhere. This convenience ensures a comfortable home and helps conserve energy, all with a simple, intuitive design. Jibo is a social robot and has the potential to change our lives by providing a unique and interactive companion. Designed to engage with users through conversation and expressive movements, it aims to enhance our daily routines and foster a sense of connection. Jibo performs various tasks. It could answer questions, set reminders, tell stories, play music, and even capture photos. Its charming personality and humor-like interactions made it feel like a member of the family. It also can serve as a hub for smart home control. With its integration capabilities, it could manage other connected devices, allowing users to control lights, thermostats, and more through voice commands. homes. Jibo provides assistance to individuals with specific needs, such as the elderly or those with disabilities. Its interactive nature and ability to offer reminders and companionship had a potential to improve their quality of life and combat feelings of loneliness. Jibo serves as a reminder of the possibilities and impact that social robots could have on our lives, demonstrating the potential for companionship, assistance, and integration in the home. Anki Vector is a small home robot made a notable impact on our lives by bringing entertainment, interactivity, and practicality into our homes. Designed to be all-powered companion, Vector offered various features that transform the way we interact with technology. It could recognize faces, respond to touch, and even play games with us, creating a sense of connection and entertainment. Vector also provided practical assistance. It could answer questions, set timers, deliver weather updates, and act as a voice-controlled smart home hub, enabling users to control compatible devices such as lights and thermostats through voice commands. It could autonomously charge itself when needed and explore its surroundings while avoiding obstacles. Anki regularly released software updates for Vector, adding new features and enhancing its capabilities. This ensured that Vector remained up to date and continuously improved over time.